Did you know that mascara was created in 1872 by a French guy named Eugene? Well, now you know, right? Hi guys, I'm Simplici Nichole and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be talking about mascara. We're gonna be talking about non-toxic mascaras. Okay, I completely go non-toxic on all of my makeup. I try as much as possible to live a healthy, holistic life. So for me, having a clean mascara is a big deal. Now, having a clean mascara that actually works, that's where things get a little crazy, right? So in a previous video, I highlighted that I use 100% pure. I've been using 100% pure for many, many years now. I absolutely love it. The one thing I would have to say is on my bottom lashes, it seems to run a little bit. So, you know, we want to change it up a little bit, and I decided to try Thrive. I see so many ads on Facebook all the time, like try Thrive, what is it saying, the fake lash look, try it out, try it out. And I was like, you know what, okay, all right, I'm gonna try it out, I ordered it. Not only did it come with like the cutest little pouch, but this is the mascara as I'm like carrying them around everywhere. I don't know if you can see it. Let me make sure you guys can see it. There we go. Super awesome. I've had it for about 2 weeks now and I am obsessed. It really does give you that false lash look where it's like, it looks like extensions and it's not hard to take off. Now, I never ever use waterproof, and even on all of my clients that I did lash lifts for, I would always recommend never to use waterproof, just because when you are taking it off, let's say that you're having a busy day and you kind of just want to rush through the process, that's when it's a no-no, because you end up causing damage to your lashes, and I'm a very big freak about having beautiful, healthy lashes. So I never ever use waterproof. So this comes off super easy. I always take off my mascara with coconut oil. I just warm it up between my fingers and I rub off my mascara very, very gently. So this was easy to take off. It doesn't have a nasty smell. It's not super heavy. It doesn't flake off. I can actually put it on my bottom lash. And I'm gonna be looking into a lot of their other products. I'm really excited when I can find a good, clean product that works. So this is my recommendation for 2020 best non-toxic mascara, guys. And if you guys like this channel, please subscribe. If you have any products that you think that I need to try that are non-toxic that I would love and that I could do a review on, a more in-depth review, let me know.